Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it. I did it. Hey, it's your girl, your vegan friend, your locked friend, Johanna Earthly Ramos. If you already been on my IG account, you know what is going on with Gabbi-Locs. That's her new name. You all know what's going on with my hair right now. But just in case you don't, first of all, why don't you go follow me on Instagram? Also, go ahead and like this video because I guess it was the title that made you click on it. Or it's because you already have subscribed to the channel and you just want to be a fantastic supporter on my way to 1,000 subscribers. So for whatever the reason is you're here, go ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, do that. And leave me a comment, even if it's a green heart. Imagine the other side is your hand, okay? Just work with me. It's late. It's late. But I just could not go to bed without coming to say something to you all about the finished product of day one of my lock journey. It's just precious. I have some footage here of me going to my consultation and of me going to my appointment today, which is about 3 weeks apart. If you all really want me to take some serious video footage of my lock journey, you gotta let me know down in the comments. If y'all let me know, and even be specific and tell me what it is about my lock journey that you would like to know about, that would be like bonus points, okay? Let me know in the comments below and I'll do better. But I know that some footage is better than no footage. So if you want to know more about my consultation and my appointment today to get my starter locks, stay tuned. Hey, I am on my way to my very first lock consultation. Super excited! To tell you this has been a long time coming is the understatement of the century. This could start a whole new string of videos on my channel. Let's see how this appointment goes. I am having my appointment with Locked by Kiwi. She is someone that I met when I moved here 12 years ago. Amazing woman. Her talent is amazing, so it wasn't that hard of a decision of who I wanted to go to once I was for certain that I wanted to get locks. All right, I'll let y'all know how that goes. Hey, okay, I'm back. That was a great consultation. Keisha actually gave me 2 different, I guess, examples of what my locks could look like. Starting off, we did a coil and we did a 2-strand twist. She thought that would be best for my texture. That was pretty cool. Didn't put any product in it, but just for me to get an idea. And then through a series of questions, we then talked about why one would be better than the other. With your girl working out 3 days a week and I sweat from my head, coils became not an option because she said I'd be back like every other week getting them recoiled again. And this is a part of this is the cost effectiveness of it is a part of why I'm starting my lock journey. So far it looks like it's going to be 2-strand twists with half moon parting, and I am really excited. I'm hoping to get these installed around my 45th birthday, which is coming up very soon. So we'll see. Gotta go inside and talk to hubby and give him all the info and kind of get his thoughts, but that felt good. The vibe and her taking charge and really helping me have a healthy lock journey, all that felt good just with how she answered my questions and the information that she gave. So Stay tuned. Good morning, good morning. Today is the day. It's my lock install day.
All right.
Yay. Yes. And I'm waiting for my appointment time. So I've had a few changes of heart since I had my consultation. So hopefully if the camera's rolling, she won't cuss me out. I originally decided that I was going to go with 2-strand twist starter locks as well as half moon parting. But yeah, that was like 2-3 weeks ago. And of course, I've watched all the YouTube things and all the Instagram things and have settled on comb coil starter locks with half moon, diamond, or triangle parting because I do have fine hair. I have a good amount of it, but my strands are very fine, so want to try and avoid the scalpiness as much as possible, but really welcoming all parts of this journey and what's about to happen. Just embracing it, all parts of it. So if you know me personally and you see me out around town, what you need to say to me is,
"Hi Hannah, oh your hair is beautiful. I love that you're locking your hair. It's gonna be so amazing just like you."
And if you can't match that energy, just act like you didn't see me, because that's the energy I will have this entire time. You're welcome. Just thought I should let you know that. This is my own personal Uber Eats. He's so fantastic. Come to my lock appointment to give me some yumminess. I need to eat. Hi.
Your Uber Eats is here.
Oh my gosh, I'm the luckiest girl ever. Thank you. I gotta give you a tip. You definitely deserve a tip. It's okay. Do you have any words for me this morning as I do this?
Well, I just know how much you love your hair. You are your hair, but you're not your hair.
Come on.
But I know how important this is to you, so I'm just giving you good vibes your way.
Thank you.
I love you.
I know.
I love your hair.
Yes, you do.
Gabby is a part of my life too. And so with that being said, I know it's going to turn out great. And I can't wait to help you along your journey.
Thank you, my love.
Even if that means greasing your scalp or whatever.
Come on.
Whatever you do.
Come on.
When after you get locks, I'm down for that. Hair washes, you name it. I got you.
Thank you. Here's my honey, locked by Kiwi. What's happening? We're finna get in the shampoo bowl. Don't mind me. Come on back. Or no? Come on back.
This is going to be a deep conditioner, guys. You know, opens up all your pores on your scalp as well as your pores in your nose. If you got pores in the nose, I don't know, but it opens you up.
It smells amazing. It feels good. Got a little tingle to it.
Yes.
Oh, the last little bit of time of Gabrielle as a loose natural.
Yeah.
Hey, girl, she's taking good care of you. Y'all see how cute her locks are? Oh, don't do it. So pretty. Nice.
To the dryer we go.
Oh, moisturized looking and such. And here's the illusion. Everybody think I got so much hair. I can make it look thick, but here we are. Here we are. I love her though.
You got a lot of coils. You got a lot of potential locks.
Yeah, funny.
Pretty.
Thank you. They're my starter locks. Look at Gabrielle. You cute girl. Hi girl, hi.
That's the baby hair that's gonna come right back out.
And that's okay. She can do what she wants. This decision is 5 years in the making. I'm not kidding. If anyone knows Coil Webb, feel free to go and find her and let her know that I finally got my locks. It was like 5 years ago. I was on watching one of her Periscope lives and we were having a conversation. I was typing, she was reading and talking back to me about how we should go get locks and we should both go and get a consultation. She went and got her consultation and has been locked now, I'm sure, for like 5 years. And I chickened out and didn't go. Like I said, 5 years in the making, but right on time. And I'm super excited about them. I got the comb coils as my starter lock option. I can definitely do a video on why I chose that if that's something you're interested in. Otherwise, that I would like to document my journey for myself. So once a month, at least, I will do an update on how my locks are progressing. As I said, her name is Gabbi-Locs. My loose natural hair name is Gabrielle, so now she's Gabbi-Locs. Would love to share more with you, but like I said, I have to know that you want me to share more with you on this subject. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.